this weekend doesn't look so good, so you may want to take down those outdoor decorations and take down the tree inside.
Yeah, because this weekend, no matter what happens, and we know something is going to happen, it's going to be a mix of rain and snow, and at the shore, coastal flooding and erosion, and no matter what happens, the shore is going to deal with those effects, and we've seen a lot of that this season so far.
Yeah.
So we've got a lot to talk about and a lot to cover. It's early now, so there's a lot to consider, but there's also a lot of time, and that gives us time to prepare. So a big deal about all of this is going to be the position of the area of low pressure, which is going to be the center of the storm system itself. Coastal flooding and erosion concerns are going to be a big deal for us. We've covered that already this afternoon and evening. No doubt we'll have more on that as we head into the week ahead. How quickly the system actually churns up the coast is also going to be a big deal. If it sticks around longer, we're going to get more rain and snow. If it's a little bit of a speedier track, we'll get out of here a little quicker. In the meantime, we're in an El Nino winter. The weather pattern is going to send this area of low pressure in a couple of different directions. If it gets a little bit further up the coast, hugs the shore a little bit, that's the warmer solution. That means we'll have a little bit more rain and less snow. There's a better chance of snow if it stays a little further out offshore. That would drag in some of that colder air and wrap it around, and areas like Philadelphia and even central Jersey have a better chance of snow here. If it stays well to the south, it misses us completely, but that does not look likely at all. It's going to be one of those other two solutions, and that's going to be leading us into our futurecast coming up in just a minute to show you what will happen this weekend. Right now, 42 degrees in Center City, the wind west at 6 miles per hour. Overall, a very chilly but seasonable night up ahead with clear skies and light winds. We'll be flirting with freezing into the middle of the night, down to around 31 to start things off tomorrow morning. As I like to say, sunglasses on, sun visors down. You guys know what I'm talking about. We get into the upper 20s and low 30s across the shore and the outlying areas. By the afternoon, we're back into the 40s, a few more clouds rolling in, and a quick moving clipper system, not this weekend storm, but a quick system moving in from the northwest will spread clouds across our area late tomorrow night and into Thursday, and maybe we squeeze out a drop or a flurry, but that would be it. Bigger story, of course, Friday into the weekend. Friday is when we get the cold air in play, and then the weekend is when we have this storm system move up the coast. So it'll start off as a brief period of snow, and then it'll change over to rain. Where that rain-snow line, that's the million-dollar question for this weekend. Right now, it does look like it'll be more of a rain event at the shore, more of a snow event for the upper Lehigh Valley, and as we head toward the Poconos, Philadelphia right in the middle, that complicates things, right? Also, we have to talk about temperatures, because if it's a little bit on the warmer side of things, the snow may be falling in the sky, but it's not going to stick around if the ground is above freezing. So a lot to talk about here and unpack. It'll likely end as a brief period of light snow and flurries Sunday afternoon before all is said and done. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine and temperatures about 5 degrees above average, 47 at the shore, the city, and 42 in the Lehigh Valley. Now, because of everything I just talked about, Saturday and Sunday are next weather alert days. We'll start thinking about Saturday night and Sunday morning as bringing you chilly temperatures and a wintry mix. If you're at the shore, it's going to be more of a rain event, but then we'll have to watch out for coastal flooding and erosion. Everybody will also see gusty winds through Sunday afternoon. We're back into the 40s Monday and even 50s toward next Tuesday. Guys?
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.